let's check on my cheeks. And this is proof, no matter how old you are or what you're doing, anything is possible. This was hard for me during the first days, but now I'm getting used to it. It's been 2 weeks and I'm adjusting perfectly. I am Ryan Mazore, an entrepreneur who's balancing poetry and school.
I woke up with a dream in my heart, a brand new day, a brand new start. No more fear gonna hold me down.
So it's in the morning, I'm about to go to school. Let's check on my cheeks. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Coming closer.
Hey guys, welcome back. So right now I'm just arriving from school. So today I came a bit late, but yeah, it's okay. Let me just check up on my chickens.
Believe inside, don't hesitate. Your destiny will not be late. Life is what you make.
So for this process you're gonna need like a dustpan and probably a broom, but I'll use the African broom called Chairo.
My future's calling out to me. Life is what you make it. So dream big and go chase it. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't live in fear or sorrow. Life is what you make it. Stand strong, don't let them shake it. The power is in your hands. Go build your own plan. They try to say I'm not enough.
So I just sweep up these dirt at the edges here, because sanitation is very important.
The power is in your hands. Go build your own.
Sanitation is very important because these chicks are very sensitive. They could easily die from things like dust, bacteria, and those bacteria can even come from us people. So this is why we do the process of the foot bath and sanitize our hands, and also make sure that this chicken house is clean at all time.
I walked through fire, felt the rain, carry dreams inside the pain. Every fall just made me rise. Now the truth is in my eyes. No more fear, no looking back. Every scar lights up my track. I am a winner, shining bright.
So this can also aid for if you're a farmer, this can also act as fertilizer. The feces from the chicken can also act as fertilizer. If you're a farmer, it can act as fertilizer. Type shit. Like we just put in our garden here.
See clear my time, my voice, my moments. Here I'm a winner. Hear me say, nothing's gonna block my way. I am a winner. Broken roads I used to know.
When you get a new sheet, a really clean sheet like this one, but for today I'll use this one because I like the design. Calculating is shady, so I quickly cover the whole surface area. So for this process I always move my shoes and rather adjust it. And rather, when I'm putting a new blanket, I rather do it barefooted for sanitation purposes.
I woke up with a dream in my heart, a brand new day, a brand new start. No more fear gonna hold me down. I'm rising up. I'm standing my ground. Every challenge that comes my way is building strength for a brighter day. Through every storm I keep my faith. I know my time will not be late. I won't give up, I won't quit. Every fall just makes me fit to be the best that I can be. My future's calling out to me. Life is what you make it. So dream big and go chase it. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't live in fear or sorrow. Life is what you make it. Stand strong, don't let them shake it. The power is in your hands. Go build your own plans. They try to say I'm not enough, but I was made for something tough. Every scar is proof I try. Every tear I never hide. Step by step I'm moving on. Even when the night is long, I see the light beyond the pain. After sunshine comes the rain. If you stumble, rise again. Strength is born from deepest pain. Believe inside, don't hesitate. Your destiny will not be late. Life is what you make it. So don't be scared to take it. Your story's still unwritten. Your victory is hidden. Life is what you make it. With faith you can create it. Stand tall and celebrate it. Life is what you make it. Wa-na-na-na-na-na. 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 Wa-na-na-na-na-na.
So this is where we get our water. Clean, it's filtered, everything's good. We put these 3 bricks to balance the food, and then we also put the food separately away from each other, because these chicks shouldn't be fighting or be squeezing each other, because as they squeeze each other or run across each other or sit or sleep on top of each other, they could have injuries. Like this other week with this chick which had an injury, so they can do self-healing. So this is the food, this is the tray of food. So how this works, we just push. It flows by itself, but I prefer to push. As you see, exactly, as you see, when I push, the food increases. And then put the food here. Then this is the water. The water always, our water always consists of a stress pack. Okay. So many of you might ask why we put water on our on the thing tab, because we feel it. Yes. Many of you might ask why we put rocks on our on the water. So this is actually so the chicks don't get wet and drown or get wet trying to drink the water here. So we put rocks, but we'll remove them eventually as they grow. So this is where I put the chicks. As you can see, this is what a 2-year old chick looks like. It's growing hair, it's developing feathers, it's developing feathers here, it's developing feathers at the tail as well. So we let this chill here, and this is 1, 2, 3, and you can see that the chick is getting older because it starts forming it starts forming feathers around here. As you can see, these feathers are new that it's forming around here. So as you can see, some chicks are bigger than the other. So chicks exactly aren't going to grow at the same rate. Some chicks are gonna be big, some chicks are gonna be small, but that's okay, because the way each chickens grow is different according to the type you are getting. But there's no time that you get chicks that will grow at the same time, the same size. But that's okay, because as long as you feed them, allow them to drink water, they'll get well. Pause up. So I'm done for today. That's all. And then you see also this to block out any, if it rains, the chickens won't be affected at all, because this plastic, it's waterproof, the water won't get in here. And mainly we decided to put a fence for ventilation. So this is the chicken house at home. Then you show the chicken house. This is the chicken house at home. It's night time right now. It's around 6. I came back from school and I still did this. This is proof, no matter where you are or what you're doing as a child, you can always multitask. You should be productive.
Nothing's gonna hold